boys. Today we're having an eating competition.
Let's go! This is gonna be easy.
Drop, let me introduce the contestants.
I still got this in the bag. Oh, shit! Oh, no! Frick!
I'm gonna destroy you in your own game.
Your fat ass is about to get clapped, Donnie.
Okay, boys, start easy. Well done, boys. Time to step it up.
Watch this. That was pathetic.
Well, I guess we're down to 4 contestants. Show us everything you got, boys.
I got this.
Haha, watch this, you loser.
Ah! My turn, fat asses.
Damn, you're up, Jabba. Ah!
Subscribe if I won.
Comment the winner.